Hi, today I'm going to show you basic keyboard shortcuts that you can use in ArchiCAD 26, and I'm going to use this ArchiCAD 26 project that we had created in our previous ArchiCAD 26 tutorial. I'm going to divide the shortcuts into two parts, and here is a preview of the shortcuts. The first part will be about basic keyboard shortcuts, and here is a list of the shortcuts that we are going to go through. And the second part will be about drawing section keyboard shortcuts, and here is a list of the shortcuts that we are going to go through. So let's begin with the first keyboard shortcut. And here is the shortcut that we are going to begin with, which is Ctrl plus N. Let's begin with the first keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl plus N, and it's used to create a new project template. Open your ArchiCAD program and then click on Ctrl plus N. Once you do that, this will pop up. Under template, choose the one that you need, and for the work environment profile, select that and then click on enter. Once you do that, a new project template will be created as shown on the screen. And that's how you create a new project template in ArchiCAD 26 using a keyboard shortcut. Now let's move to the next shortcut in this tutorial. The next shortcut will be Ctrl plus S, which is used to save a project. Let me demonstrate how to do that. Click on Ctrl plus S, and once you do that, this will pop up. So under file name, you can type in the name of your project, and once you've done that, click on enter to save your new project. Click on enter and your project will be saved. So now let's move to the next shortcut. The next shortcut will be about how to open a file. So let me show you how to use the Ctrl plus O shortcut to do that. In your newly saved project, click on Ctrl plus O and this will pop up. Let's say you want to open a project that you had saved earlier. Let's choose this project. Once you've selected your project, click on Enter and your new selected project will be opened. And that's how you open a new project using keyboard shortcuts. In this next shortcut, I'm going to show you how to close a project in ArchiCAD 26 using the Ctrl plus Shift plus W keys. Let me show you an example of how to do that. Click on ArchiCAD 26 project and click on Ctrl plus Shift plus W. Once you do that, your project will be closed, and this is what will appear on your screen after the project has been closed. So that's how you close a project using a keyboard shortcut. The next shortcut will be about Ctrl plus Shift plus S, which is used to save a project as. Let me show you how to do that. Click on Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Once you do that, this will pop up, and then you can type in the name of your project, and once you have done that, you can click on Enter, and that's how you use that shortcut. In this shortcut, I'm going to show you how to use the Ctrl plus Z shortcut to undo your last action. So let me show you how to do that using our ArchiCAD 26 project. Let's extend this part of the wall and then undo the actions. Let's extend this part and this part. Once you've done that, click on Ctrl plus Z, and you'll notice that your previous action has been undone. And that's how you use the Ctrl plus Z shortcut. This next shortcut, I'm going to show you how to redo your last action, and we are going to use the Ctrl plus Shift plus Z shortcut. Click on Ctrl plus Shift plus Z. Once you do that, you'll notice that our previous action has been redone. That's how you use that shortcut to do it. I'm going to show you how to use Ctrl plus A keyboard to highlight a project at once. Let's select everything in this project. Click on Ctrl plus A, and once you do that, you'll notice that everything has been selected, and that's how you do that. Let's move to the next shortcut. In this next shortcut, I'm going to show you how to use the Ctrl plus Shift plus A shortcut to locate a project file or a window in ArchiCAD 26. Click on Ctrl plus Shift plus A, and once you do that, this will pop up, and from that you can select which project you want to work on. That's how you do it. In this next shortcut, I'm going to show you how to use the Ctrl plus Shift plus A shortcut to locate a project file or a window in ArchiCAD 26. Click on Ctrl plus Shift plus A, and once you do that, this will pop up, and from that you can select which project you want to work on. That's how you do it. In these shortcuts, I'm going to show you how to use Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus V to paste something like a text in ArchiCAD 26. Click on Ctrl plus C to copy this text, and then click on Ctrl plus V to paste it, and then drag your text into this position, and that's how you do that. Let's rename this bedroom 2, and let's say we want to copy this bed and paste it to the other side. Click on Ctrl plus C, then click on Ctrl plus V, then drag your second bed, then let's rotate it to position it in that part, and that's how you do it in ArchiCAD 26. I'm going to show you how to move an object using Ctrl plus D shortcut. Now let's say we want to move an object like a sofa in our drawing. Let me show you how you can do that. Open our project, click on the sofa, and then click on Ctrl plus D. Once you've done that, click on the object again, and then drag your object to the position that you want it to be moved at. And that's how you move an object in ArchiCAD 26 using the Ctrl plus D shortcut. In this next shortcut, I'm going to show you how to use the Ctrl plus E shortcut to rotate an object in ArchiCAD 26. Now let's rotate a bed in our ArchiCAD project. Click on the bed, click on Ctrl plus E. Once you do that, this will appear, and then let's select our radius and distance. Let's choose that and click on that point, and then let's move our bed into this position. And that's how you rotate an object in ArchiCAD 26. In this next shortcut, I'm going to show you how to use the Ctrl plus M shortcut to mirror an object. Now let's say we want to mirror these two objects. You're going to click on the objects and then click on Ctrl plus M. Once you do that, click on this point and then move your cursor so that your objects can be mirrored. That's how you use the Ctrl plus M shortcut to mirror an object. In this next shortcut, I'm going to show you how to use Ctrl plus T shortcut to open settings for an item selected. So let's select one item, then open its setting. Open ArchiCAD 26 project. And then let's select this item. Click on Ctrl plus T. And once you do that, these door selection settings will pop up. And then you can select the settings that you want to enter and then click on enter. That's how you do it. Now let's say we want to open settings for our bed. Click on the bed, click on Ctrl plus T, and this setting will pop up. Now let me show you how to drag a copy of an item using the Ctrl plus Shift plus D shortcut. Open ArchiCAD 26 project. Then let's drag a copy of our bed. Click on it. Click on Ctrl plus Shift plus D. And then click on the object and drag a copy of it. And that's how you drag a copy in ArchiCAD 26 using the Ctrl plus Shift plus D shortcut. In this next step, I'm going to show you how to rotate a copy of an object using the Ctrl plus Shift plus E shortcut. Now let's open ArchiCAD 26 project, and then let's rotate a copy of our sofa. Click on it, click on Ctrl plus Shift plus E, and then this will pop up. Then let's select our radius and distance, and then let's move our cursor and position our sofa in that position. And that's how you rotate a copy of an object in ArchiCAD. In this next shortcut, I'm going to show you how to use the Ctrl plus Shift plus M shortcut to mirror a copy of an object. Now let's open ArchiCAD 26 project and then select these two objects. Once you have selected the two objects, click on Ctrl plus Shift plus M shortcut to mirror a copy of the two objects. And that's how you mirror objects in ArchiCAD 26. In this next shortcut, I'm going to show you how to fit a project in a window using the Ctrl plus apostrophe shortcut. Click on Ctrl plus apostrophe and you'll notice that your project has been fit in the window. Now let's say we want to fit this 3D model. Click on Ctrl plus apostrophe to fit it in the window. And that's how you do it in ArchiCAD 26.